Hello again and welcome back to the Buick. It's been a week. We did try and do the ignition switch. There was one that came it was in the boot of the car, and we were going through the receipts and we did find a receipt for a new one which was from last year, but unfortunately we tried to fit it and it's the wrong one. Whoops. Oh, I'm locking and unlocking the car. So we tried to, so we had that one, but it's totally the wrong one for the car. So we had to order one. This one is for a 87 and it's missing one pin in there. So that's what the difference is in this one. So we ordered one in. So we got a new one to come. And that's the difference. Let's see. On this one, you should see without me taking out the packet. See, that one's right, but pin missing. As this one, clippers on the side, so you won't be able to fit it. So that's the difference. So we're going to get all this stripped back off again, and then I'll come back to you once I've taken all this off. So I got the cowling off, that's all off. There's our switch just here. So to take it off, there's two little screws. It's fiddly to do when you got one hand holding the camera. And the other one is so fiddly, it's right up in here. And I don't know what it is, but every time I try to do this one, the sunlight is shining so bright I can't see what I'm doing. I think she's gonna come out. If it don't drop like we did last time. Okay, I leave that like that for a minute. Get some pliers on that. And then this one here. Take that one out. That's what holds the ignition switch in. It's just two little screws. Maybe more on some other cars, I couldn't tell you. Let me get some long nose pliers put on there to get that one out a minute. Okay, where are we? There we are. So let's get the ignition switch out. I've got somebody to hold the camera for me. See, it just comes out here. Then you got your clips just here. They can be quite a bit fiddly to get out. Let me get a screwdriver a minute. That one out. Then that one out. And there's your ignition switch. Now what happens is, behind here it's like that shape like that. That sits in there like that. Turns the thing like that. And as you can see, this one ain't right. Hasn't got enough clicks. So let's repair it to the new one. There's our new one. It's exactly the same. Now when you put the screwdriver in, click, 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 start. And as this one, you can feel the clicks have gone. So that's what the problem is with this one. but being this is a aftermarket one, there's no actual part number on it. So let's give this a try. So put that one in, that one in, and then we should, if you get your screwdriver, put it in there, and it should go. Click, and now the light for the park has come up. Now we've got ignition lights, and the car starts. And that's how it works. Turn it off. Click, click, and we're all off. And it should be now lined up to go back in there, which is quite fiddly to get back in there. Let's try it that way. Right, let's see if it lines up. Because our problem could have been not lining up properly with the ignition. Let's get the key a minute. Oh. Just make sure the key. Oh, it'd be alright if I put the right keys in there. I'm not trying to put some other keys from a different car in there. Don't go very far with a Vauxhall key. Right, there's our ignition switch. That one turns. Right, let's see. We can get this up in there. Putting the key in, and you would turn it, and as you can see, I've got first click and it comes up with a park. Second click is actually working, and it's working. So when Jeff was driving it, let's turn that off a minute. When Jeff was driving it, he had a breakdown in it, and he had to use this cable, which he wrapped around this switch, because the switch would keep, ignition switch would keep turning off. But now it's working.